welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hi, I'm Charlotte. Today we are in a new location. We're in my bedroom. Got a bit bored from my living room and the lighting was much better in here, so I thought I'd bring you in here today. But anyway, in today's video I have done this makeup look, chit-chatty, get ready with me for my 21st birthday, which is this weekend. So yeah, if you're interested in how I got this makeup look, then keep watching. So I've just moisturised my face and I'm going to go straight in with some foundation. This is just the NYX Total Control Drops for foundation. Update from last week. A big thank you for 500 subscribers, because this is crazy, like I'm almost at 600. Last week's video went down so well. You guys really liked it and it got so many views. So I'm definitely going to do some more fashion videos. For concealer, I'm be using the NYX 16 Hour Wear Camo Concealer. I'm just going to pop that under my eyes. You know when you get dry lips and you like end up picking it off? Yeah, I know it's gross and I know you all do it. But I've gone a bit like too much overboard and I proper, oh my god, and I really have pulled at it, which I know it's so disgusting, but sometimes you just can't help yourself. I'm just going to blend this in with my finger, and I know it's really light at the minute, but I will darken it up with some powder. Any excess I'm just going to pop on my chin and on my forehead. At that, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Powder. Oh, I don't know. The L'Oreal Infallible Powder, and this is in the shade Warm Vanilla. Now this should hopefully darken up my under eyes. I would get a lighter one of that concealer, but I kind of like it. I kind of like the way it looks after I've done all the contouring. It just, because I know it looks really crazy right now. For bronzer, I'm gonna. I can't roll my R's or anything. Anyway, for bronzer, I'm going to use the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Bronzer. So this video I'm filming Thursday morning and it will go up Friday afternoon. And my birthday is on Sunday, March 1st. And probably like so many of you are like, oh my gosh, you're turning 21. Like, you look 16. I get that all the time, that I look so young. But trust me, it's going to come in handy when I'm older, when I actually look a lot younger than what I am. I'm just going to bring that down my neck a little bit too, just blend that all together. Then I'm going to use the same Chocolate Soleil Bronzer by Too Faced just to contour my nose a little bit, just on an eyeshadow brush. So I'm just bringing that down the bridge of my nose and then pop a little bit on the tip of my nose as well. For highlighter, I'm going to be using the Becca Champagne Pop. Now, a little something about this highlighter. Look how broken it is. I dropped it on the floor like months ago, but it's still good. I can still use it. This was expensive. I'm not going to throw it out just because it's a little bit broken. And pop a little bit on my nose and down the bridge of my nose as well. I can actually hear like my neighbours out in the hallway, like they can probably hear me talking to myself thinking, what is she doing? Anyway, eyebrows. The Revolution Dip Rab Pomade in the shade Ash Brown, and I'm just going to get that on an angled brush and just, I don't really do too much to my eyebrows. I just fill them in and trace them out a little bit more. Okay, so that's my eyebrows done. I don't really do too much to my eyebrows, but I'm just going to pop some brow gel to keep them in place. So I've already primed my eyelids with that concealer, and then today I'm going to be using the Morphe contour palette for eyeshadow because I'm going to do a brown look, and this has a lot of variety of brown shades. I'm going to start by using this shade here. I'm just going to pop that as a transition shade all over my lid. Now, birthday plans. At the minute, if you're new here and you don't already know, I'm not very well. I have, well, they think I have inflammatory bowel disease. I'm having an emergency colonoscopy and endoscopy next week, so they can see what's going on in there. But that means at the minute, obviously, I'm so unwell I can't go to work. I stopped uni for a little while because most days I can't leave the house. Being sick and all that fun stuff. But today, not feeling too bad. Didn't feel very well this morning, had a bit of a funny morning. But as of right now, I'm feeling okay. So I thought I'd do a YouTube video. I sort of do them as and when I can at the minute because, like I said, I'm really, really poorly. Then I'm just going to go in with the darker shade just in the middle. I'm just going to focus that more on the crease, just for some more definition. But yeah, anyway, what I was saying was, no plans exactly for my birthday. I'm spending it with my family, who aren't in London. Maybe go out for a meal if I'm not too poorly. So that should be nice, something to look forward to. But like I said, if I'm too poorly, then probably just stay at home and I'll spend my birthday in the bathroom. More precise brush, I'm going to be using the darkest shade, which is this one here, for more definition in the crease. I'm just going to fetch it to the outside as well, just sort of here. I promise this brush is clean, it's just that it is really stained. It's got like green and yellow on it. And when I do more fun looks, which I will be doing some colourful looks. I mean, I'm not the best at makeup. I'm not a makeup artist. I'm just another one of those girls that enjoys doing makeup, thinks it's fun. It's such a nice day outside. This morning it was raining. And now it's sunny, but it's cold. Did I say this morning it was raining? I meant this morning it was snowing. For the eyeshadow itself, I'm going to be using the Colourpop Super Shock Cheek like highlighter. This is in the shade Wisp, but look how nice that is. I like to use that on my lid, and I'm just going to be using my finger just to get the most pigment, and I'm just going to pop that all over my lid. Okay, so that's the eyeshadow. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pop on some lashes over here, and these are the Ardell Demi Wispies, which were kindly sent to me by falseeyelashes.co.uk a few weeks ago. So I'm going to pop some glue on and put them on off camera, and I will show you once they're on. Okay, I am back. I have some eyelashes on, the Demi Wispies. I'm just going to pop a little bit of mascara on the bottom lashes, and this is just the Collection Fast Stroke Mascara. I'm just going to pop a little bit just to blend it in. My inner corner keeps popping up, so if it's a little bit out of place, I apologise. Then to finish up for lips, the combo I'm using is, I'm going to use the Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in Candy K. I'll quickly put that on and then I'll show you the rest. And then I'm going to be using the Revolution Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Piece of Cake. And this is slightly lighter than that lip liner, because I've really been into that at the minute, where I have a darker lip liner than lipstick. And then I'm just going to wait for that to dry down, and I'll add the NYX Filler Instinct Plump In Lip Polish, and this is in the shade Brunch Drunk. That's such a cute name. It's that corner here, my nose is actually running. Like, I have the heating on, heating on. So if I keep like, it's because my nose is, mind you, it was snowing this morning. So that is the finished makeup look. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a like and subscribe to me down below, because I'm almost at 600 subscribers, which just blows my mind. So yeah, join the family. New uploads every Friday, and I'll see you next week. Bye. I hope that caught that on camera when it just flew across my face.